Hello,
Hi there.
how are you today?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm fine, thanks. What's your name?
My name is Emma. And you?
I'm John. Nice to meet you, Emma.
Nice to meet you too. John.
Where are you from?
I'm from New York. You?
I'm from California.
Wow, I've never been there.
You should visit. It's beautiful.
I would love to. Maybe someday.
What do you do? Emma.
I'm a student. I study English.
Oh, that's nice. Why are you learning English?
I want to travel and talk to people.
That's a great reason. Do you practice every day?
Yes, I do. I try to speak, read, and write daily.
That's awesome. Do you find it easy or hard?
Sometimes it's easy. Sometimes it's hard.
What is difficult for you?
Grammar and speaking fast.
Yes, speaking fast is tricky.
Exactly. I want to speak more fluently.
You are doing well already.
Thank you. That means a lot.
Do you watch English movies?
Yes, I watch with subtitles.
That's a good way to learn.
I think so too. It helps me understand better.
Do you have a speaking partner?
No, not yet. I practice alone.
You can practice with me.
Really? That would be amazing.
Sure. We can talk every day.
That's perfect. Thank you, John.
You're welcome. Let's help each other.
Great idea. Teamwork is better.
Do you know any tips to speak better?
Yes. Practice daily and don't be shy.
That's true. I feel shy sometimes.
Me too, but I keep trying.
That's the spirit. Never give up.
Yes. Step by step, I'll improve.
Do you listen to English songs?
Yes, and I try to sing too.
That's fun. Music helps a lot.
It also improves my pronunciation.
Great. What's your favorite English song?
I like Perfect by Ed Sheeran.
Oh, I love that song.
Do you listen to English podcasts?
Sometimes they're useful for new words.
I want to try that. Can you suggest one?
Sure. Try the English we speak.
Thanks. I'll check it out.
What's your favorite English word?
Maybe dream. It's a nice word.
I like that too. My favorite is hope.
Beautiful choice.
Do you write in English?
Yes. I keep a small diary.
That's smart. Writing builds confidence.
I also write small stories sometimes.
Wow, that's impressive.
Thanks. I enjoy creative writing.
Do you have any English goals?
Yes. I want to speak like a native.
You can do it. Just don't stop.
Thanks. I'll work hard every day.
So, do you want to practice now?
Yes, let's talk more. I'm ready.
Okay, let's talk about food.
Yum. I love food topics.
What's your favorite food?
I like pizza. What about you?
I love burgers.
Nice. Do you cook?
Sometimes. I cook pasta and eggs.
That's cool. I want to learn cooking too.
We can learn together.
Great idea. Let's make a plan.
English and cooking both together.
Fun and useful at the same time.
Okay, Emma, it was nice talking to you.
Same here, John. Thanks for the great conversation.
Let's talk again tomorrow.
Yes. See you then. Bye.
Bye.
Hey, John, can I ask you something?
Sure. Go ahead.
How long have you been learning English?
Since I was a kid.
Wow, that's a long time.
Yes. But I'm still learning.
Me too. Learning never stops.
Very true.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I do. I read every night.
What kind of books do you like?
I like short stories and adventure books.
Nice. I read storybooks too.
Do you read in English?
Yes, I try to read one page a day.
That's a good habit.
Do you ever write stories in English?
Not really, but I write my thoughts.
Like a journal?
Yes, just simple notes about my day.
That helps with vocabulary, right?
Yes, it really works.
How do you learn new words?
I use flashcards and write them down.
That's smart. I'll try that too.
Also, I learn 5 new words daily.
Consistency is key.
Exactly. Little steps every day.
Do you use any apps to learn?
Yes, I use Duolingo and HelloTalk.
Oh, I have Duolingo too.
It's fun and helpful.
Do you speak with native speakers online?
Sometimes. It's good practice.
I feel nervous when I talk.
Don't worry. Everyone makes mistakes.
That's true. I'll try to be more confident.
Yes. Confidence grows with practice.
What do you do when you forget a word?
I stay calm and try to explain it.
Good idea. That keeps the conversation going.
Yes. Never stop talking.
Do you ever think in English?
Yes. I try to think in English every day.
That's a great way to learn faster.
Yes. It helps with speaking fluently.
What's your favorite English expression?
Practice makes perfect.
I love that one too.
Do you know any funny English phrases?
Ha! Break a leg?
Ha ha. Yes. It means good luck.
English can be funny sometimes.
Yes. Idioms are strange but fun.
Do you want to play a word game?
Sure, let's do it.
I say a word, you say the opposite. Ready?
Ready.
Hot,
Cold.
big,
Small.
happy,
Sad.
easy.
Hard.
You're good at this.
Thanks. Your turn now.
Okay, up,
Down.
fast,
Down.
day.
Night.
Good job.
That was fun.
Yes. And we practiced English too.
Learning can be fun.
I feel more confident now.
That's great. Keep going.
Thank you for talking with me.
Anytime. Let's do this again tomorrow.
Yes. See you then. Bye.
Bye, Emma.